This Century 21 United property video is presented by Judy Holland. Great corner lot in Wildoak located off Overton Brooks-fenced Acre Lot, storage building. Owners built a deck with sidewalks. Has Wildoak Corp septic system, $18 per month. A 50 amp RV plug installed next to garage. Kitchen remodeled to include new appliances and soft close cabinets and touch technology facet, 2 large 36 inches pantries. Whole house water system, windows have been upgraded/replaced. 3 bedrooms downstairs, 2 bedrooms up, jack/jill bath, owner built cabinets in 1 bedroom for an office/study. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Holland at 318-349-6988.